Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a super special video. I'm so excited about it. It is a collab, but also a giveaway. So I want you to tune in and see how you can win a $50 Visa gift card.
Today's ugly sweater collaboration is with 4 other ladies. I have linked their channels in the description box below and also in the cards up there. I want you to go to their channels and subscribe and send my love. All the details to win the $50 Visa gift card is also detailed in the description box below. It's also kind of fun because we want you guys to create your own ugly sweater video. It doesn't have to be a cleaning video. It can be an ugly sweater DIY, a cook with me, whatever you want within reason, and add it to our playlist. I'm not going to ramble on too much more about it. Everything you need to know is in my description box below, and I hope you get some cleaning motivation today.